If your Samsung phone alarm keeps going off and you no longer need it, turning it off is quick and easy. Whether it's a daily wake-up alarm or a one-time reminder, you can disable or delete it in just a few taps. Follow these simple steps. Start by unlocking your Samsung phone and opening the clock app. You can find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. If you can't find it, simply use the search bar and type clock. Step 2. Once the clock app opens, tap the alarm tab at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see a list of all the alarms you've created, including recurring and one-time alarms. Step 3. Find the alarm you want to disable. Tap the blue toggle switch next to it. When the switch turns grey, the alarm is turned off and won't ring until you enable it again. This is the best option if you think you'll need the alarm later. Step 4. If you no longer need the alarm, press and hold the alarm entry until additional options appear. Then tap delete and confirm if prompted. This removes the alarm from your phone permanently. Hope this video helped. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more simple smartphone tips.